Today I want to show you how to fix your bobbin. When you see this in your bobbin, you know you're not meant to adjust it. So you put it in here. There's this. Make sure your needle is in the highest points possible. The highest points. Yeah. Then you fix this. I'll do it slowly. Look at this triangular edge here and this. So you fix it this way. Yeah. It clips in. Can you see that? It clips in, and this will go under this. This triangular will go under this rectangular. Yeah, and it clips in that way. You see that? It clips in that way, and it's when you turn it around, it stays in place. So that's how you know your bobbin is properly fixed. I'll go over it again.